Dreams. There are dreams that result from pressure, from diet, from anxiety. Some psychological research indicates that we all need to dream and that our own mental health depends upon it. But there are also dreams sent of the Lord. It is one of the spiritual gifts. Being warned in a dream, Joseph fled with Mary and Jesus into Egypt. The wife of Pilate had a dream, gave her such anxiety she fled with her husband not to take action against the Messiah. But as you recall, he washed his hands anyway. Joseph did have prophetic dreams. I mention only two. To Levi Hancock, he once said, and Hancock had started on a mission, been out a night, had a terrible night of nightmares, and returned in fear. The prophet said to him, "Go. I've had as bad dreams as ever you had." The Lord comforts men through dreams, whether it means anything or not. And then came the dream, the ugly, ominous dream. This at Carthage, you recall, in which he saw William and Wilson Law and others. They cast him in a pit higher than his head, no way he could climb or spring out of it. And then shortly they, both of them, are attacked by serpents and are dying. They cry out for his help. And all he can say is, "I would help you if I could, but you have made it impossible for me to help." All too true to what happened. William and Wilson Law, you may recall, were the leading spirits in the Nauvoo Expositor and in the meetings of conspiracy that culminated in the prophet's death.